Hello guys, thank you very much and welcome back to my channel, Abby's Home Kitchen. So today I'm making a very simple chicken barbecue recipe. So it's not going to be grilled today as much as I love grilling or baking. So it's just going to be a simple boiled soft chicken wings, and I'm going to be working some things out with the barbecue sauce. So stay tuned guys and watch me do that in my kitchen. But before that, I really appreciate you guys for your support. Please keep the support coming in by subscribing to my channel, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up in all my videos, and also remember to click that bell button. It also always gives you a notification as soon as I post a new video. So guys, keep the support coming. Thank you very much, and we'll see you in the kitchen now. So as you can see, this chicken recipe is perfect for a Sunday night, and also you can enjoy it alone as it is, or you can have it with your favorite fruits, just like I have carrots and cucumber here. You could also have it with a bottle of wine or juice. So the ingredients I have here are soft chicken wings. I have some cornstarch, and there's this old roasted hemp seed just for garnishing, and I have lemon here and also the barbecue sauce. So with this recipe, I'm not using any salt or seasoning cubes. So what I did first was to put on the stove, and I added my clean chicken wings. For this recipe, I would advise you use a soft chicken. However, you can use a hard chicken as well. The only difference is you might be cooking longer than if you were to be using a soft chicken, and you still get the same results. So I'm just mixing all this together. Like I said earlier, no salt and no seasoning cubes. I'm also not adding water here, so I'm just allowing it to cook for about 15 minutes, give or take. So by that time, all the juice from the chicken would be out. So I'm going to cover it up for now and cook it for about 15 minutes. So 15 minutes later, as you can see, the juice is out, and by now your chicken is almost cooked. So just a little bit more, because I'm still going to be cooking it for a little more time, so I don't want it to be excessively soft. So now I'm going to be mixing the barbecue sauce and the lemon. So I'm just getting the juice out of the lemon. So with this recipe, like I said earlier, you don't want to use salt or any seasoning cubes, because I believe the barbecue sauce already has salt content in it, and you don't want to make it too salty and all that. And also with the lemon juice, it also has that acidic content, so everything would be fine together. So I'm just going to mix up the barbecue sauce and the lemon juice together. Then by now, after that, I'm going to be adding the cornstarch. So the essence of using the cornstarch here is to give it that thickness that I'm looking for, because I know with that juice in the chicken, I want it thick and sticky. That's how you enjoy barbecue chicken anyway. So I'm just gonna pour that in there. So I'm going to mix it all up. As you can see, I reduced the heat here now because at this point I'm going to be cooking on low heat, just because I don't want it burning, and also I want the barbecue sauce and the lemon and the cornstarch, everything to infuse together. So I'm just going to cover this and cook it on low heat for another 5 to 8 minutes thereabout. So after 8 minutes, I'm coming back to check, and wow, as you can see the thickness in that sauce, and you can see that it's not burnt to the bottom. That's why you have to cook on low heat. So just try as much as possible to mix all that together. And by now everything is cooked and ready to eat. However, you just want to give it a little more, about 5 minutes after you put off the stove. Just give it about 5 minutes just for, you know, all the juice and the sauce to thicken up with the chicken before you serve. So like I said, this recipe can be enjoyed alone like this, or with a bottle or a cup of juice or wine, or with your favorite veggies or fruits. Thank you very much, guys, for your support. See you next time. Goodbye now.